In today's video, I will be sharing my Nana's Gallina Pinta recipe. It's a traditional dish from Sonora, Mexico. I used a large 22-quart stock pot. I filled it up halfway with water and left it on medium heat. I added 2 heads of garlic, 1 medium brown onion, about 6 green onions, 2 Anaheim peppers, each sliced in 4, a bunch of cilantro, 3 pounds of uncooked pinto beans. Here I have 7 pounds of beef soup bones. You can use oxtail, shank, or short ribs. I also added 2 pounds of cubed beef chuck. Then you add your salt and you leave it on medium to high heat for about an hour until you add your hominy. You want to use 210-ounce can of Mexican style hominy. Cover the pot and leave it on medium heat for an additional 2.5 hours. And it is ready to be served and garnished with chopped fresh cilantro, green onion, and red pepper flakes. I really hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and check out my other videos in my YouTube channel.